Hello everyone and welcome to the Vocabulary Builder. Let's look at the 5 words that we have for today. Alright, so the first word that we have for today is exacerbate. Alright, as I mentioned earlier as well, you need to ensure that you are slicing the words and then talking about it or remembering it, because उस हिसाब से आप pronunciations और meaning बहुत easily याद रख सकते हो. Exacerbate. What is the meaning of the word? The meaning is to make something worse from what it already is. Alright? To make something that is going to be, worse than what it already is. So, अगर कोई चीज़ already खराब है, आप उसको और खराब कर रहे हो. ठीक है? If we have to use it in a sentence, it would be like, heavy floods combined with the cold exacerbated the situation. Alright? So, अगर heavy floods combined with the cold, so there were already heavy floods, so situation was already bad, then it was also cold, so that is exasperating the situation. Alright, if we have to look at the synonyms, it would be aggravate or annoy. Antonyms would be to alleviate or appease. और अगर आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन हिंदी में देखना है, सो इट वुड बी किसी चीज़ को और बिगाड़ देना. जो चीज़ ऑलरेडी खराब है आप उसको और बिगाड़ रहे हैं, तो दैट इज exacerbate. The next word that we have is fray. Fray क्या होता है? Fray का simple meaning है a noisy fight. Alright? So if we have to use this word in a sentence, it would be something like, the election candidates frayed publicly. मतलब they got into a noisy fight publicly. Alright? The election candidates. If you have to look at the synonyms of this word, it would be something like erode or frazzle. If we have to look at the antonyms, it would be please or so. मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड इन हिंदी इज दंगा या जोर से झगड़ना. कहीं कोई जगह पे दंगा हो रहा होगा तो वो जोर से या कोई जोर से किसी से झगड़ रहा है, तो दैट इज अ फ्रे. हाउ कैन यू इजीली रिमेंबर द वर्ड फाइट? अगर आपको फाइट ये सिंपल वर्ड याद रहता है तो फाइट एंड फ्रे आर गोइंग टू बी क्लोजली रिलेटेड. एफ से आप याद कर सकते हैं एंड दैट वे यू वुड इजीली रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड. नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट वी हैव इज इम्प्लैकेबल. ठीक है, so im and placable. Meaning of the word is not to be pacified or appeased. If we have to use this word in a sentence, it would be something like, he failed to convince his implacable wife. Okay, so pacify नहीं कर सके किसी, उसको convince नहीं कर सके. He failed to convince his implacable wife because she was very determined and she would not agree to get convinced. So synonyms: inexorable, intractable, and if we have to look at antonyms, it is compassionate or being flexible. Compassionate matlab to understand and agree to change, or flexible matlab okay, if you are okay to get pacified, you are okay to let go of things. If we have to look at the explanation of this word in Hindi, it is kathor or nirdayi. कठोर या person is implacable, who is not willing to let go, who is willing to fight it out, who is not willing to take apologies into picture. How can you easily remember this word? अगर आपको simple word याद रहता है inconvincible. Alright, तो जो convince नहीं हो सकता है, inconvincible के साथ implacable can be related. Alright, so I say you can remember that word. Alright, next word is indigent. Indigent matlab someone who is poor and needs help from others. Alright, the indigent villagers were happy to receive some COVID relief. Indigent villagers matlab उनको help की ज़रूरत थी and they were happy to receive some COVID relief. Synonyms: impoverished or someone who is needy. Antonyms: someone who is affluent and who is rich. एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द वर्ड इन हिंदी इज गरीब इंसान. गरीब इंसान जिसको कोई मदद की ज़रूरत है. हाउ कैन यू इजीली रिमेंबर इनकेपेबल? इनकेपेबल मतलब जिसके पास पैसे नहीं है या जिसकी सिचुएशन अच्छी नहीं है, वो इनकेपेबल है. इनकेपेबल एंड इंडिजेंट आप याद रख सकते हैं इन के हिसाब से. नेक्स्ट वर्ड एंड द लास्ट वर्ड फॉर टुडे इज masticate. नाउ व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय masticate? Masticate मतलब टू chew or reduce to a pulp by crushing it. सो आप याद रख कर सकते हैं कुछ कुछ चीज़ें जो आपको याद कर सकते हैं. गन्ने का जो जूस आप निकालते हैं तो उसका व्हाट आर वी डूइंग, वी आर एक्चुअली पुटिंग इट थ्रू द मशीन. सो यू आर रिमूविंग द पल्प, यू आर रिड्यूसिंग इट और क्रशिंग इट टू अ पल्प. Right? So if we have to use it in a sentence, it would be, in the farms, the cows were masticating their food. Cows normally, when they get their food in, they are continuously chewing it, right? So that is from where the word has been derived. Synonyms: chomp or crush. Antonyms: swallow whole. So why is this an antonym? Because if you're swallowing something on a whole, you're not chewing it, you're not reducing it to a pulp. So it's going to be the opposite of masticate. एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द वर्ड इन हिंदी इज चबाना, किसी चीज़ को चबाना या फिर उसे पल्प तक रिड्यूस करना. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I will see you guys next time with the next 5 questions. Please ensure that you're revising all of these 5 words that we've learned today and maintaining a separate book for the same.